Next year's Gifted and Talented applications for Kindergarten G&T programs went live on Wednesday, December 7th. They will remain open until January 20th, 2023 to apply during the regular kindergarten application process. According to Education Department officials, Kindergarten G&T placements will be announced by April 23. Parents and educators must keep the following in mind. Preschoolers will get accepted via teacher recommendations. There will be 2,500 seats for fall 2023 citywide. Mayor Eric Adams and Chancellor David Banks brought back the popular G&T program while eliminating the entrance exam for 4-year-olds. Banks has also expanded 3rd grade G&T by 1,000 seats, where seats will be determined in the 2nd grade. This process may be a family's first interaction with our schools, and it's important we get it right and make it welcoming and easy, said Education Department First Deputy Chancellor Dan Weisenberg.